Most n8n agent tutorials stop at a toy chatbot. This video is packaged around a workflow that can survive real input. The proof is not a fake dashboard. I pulled the official n8n AI agent docs, the tools agent docs, the AI agent tool docs, the structured output parser, simple memory, code node, and webhook docs. On this Mac, n8n was not already installed, but NPM reports the package is available at version 2.29.7. So the honest production package is an importable workflow plus official screenshots, not a staged local UI. The outcome viewers should see in the first 20 seconds is a messy lead request going in, clean JSON coming out, and a saved result that a sales or ops team could actually use. Here is the architecture. Start with a manual trigger and pin JSON while testing. That makes every run repeatable. Then move the exact same input contract to a webhook when the workflow is ready for production. The first real node should not be the LLM. It should be a deterministic cleanup step. Use the n8n code node to normalize fields, reject missing data, calculate obvious scores, and create a compact object for the agent. Then let the AI agent make the judgment that code should not fake, classify the lead, explain risk, summarize context, and choose the next action. The final node should save the result to a sheet, a ticket, a database, Slack, or an approval queue. That is the difference between a demo and an operating workflow. The official n8n AI agent node is the coordinator. It can connect a chat model, tools, memory, and an output parser. That makes the agent powerful, but it also creates the beginner trap. If you push every business rule into one giant prompt, the agent becomes hard to debug and easy to blame. The better pattern is smaller. Give the agent clean fields, clear tool descriptions, and a strict output contract. For a lead triage workflow, the model should see company name, industry, employee range, budget signal, urgency, and source notes. It should not be responsible for cleaning random text, validating every field, and inventing your CRM schema at the same time. Tools, memory, and schema solve different problems. Tools are actions. They let the agent call another workflow, search a system, or ask for more information. Memory is context. It helps a conversational workflow remember useful facts across turns. Structured output is the contract. It makes the next node safe because the next node gets a shape it can trust. A production agent needs all three, but not always in the same amount. If the task is lead triage, schema matters more than personality. The output should include priority, confidence, reasons, missing fields, and next action. If the agent cannot produce that shape, the workflow should fail visibly. The failure belongs in the video. Show the agent returning a friendly paragraph when the next node expects JSON. That is the moment every viewer understands. Then add the structured output parser and show the same task again. Now the workflow either returns the exact fields or fails in a place you can inspect. That failure path is not embarrassing. It is the product lesson. Production AI workflows are not made reliable by begging the model to behave. They become reliable when the workflow has contracts, deterministic rules, validation, and a safe place for human review when confidence is low. This is the live source walkthrough captured from the official docs. The video should use these shots as proof beats, not decoration. Show the AI agent node, then the tools docs, then the output parser and memory docs. The narration should keep repeating the same principle. Code owns rules, the agent owns judgment, schema owns the handoff. That framing gives the tutorial a stronger promise than a normal n8n setup video. The viewer is not just learning where to click. They are learning how to divide responsibility in a production agent workflow. The final package needs one clean promise. Title: n8n AI Agent Tutorial. Build a real workflow with tools, memory, and structured output. Thumbnail: Real n8n Agent. The first 20 seconds must show the result first, then rewind. The description should include the official n8n docs, the workflow JSON, and the exact failure fix. This is how the video earns a shot at breakout views. It does not sell n8n as magic. It shows a workflow pattern a founder, ops lead, or automation builder can copy without shipping a fragile toy agent. One final production note for the real video: do not skip the download package. Put the workflow JSON, the source docs, the exact schema, and the failure example in the description. That turns the video from advice into something a builder can copy today. The comments should ask viewers what destination they want next: Google Sheets, Slack, Notion, Postgres, or a human approval queue.